Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have a new subscription box to share with all of you. This is new to me, and I believe it's also new to the market, so let me go ahead and show you what it is. Okay, here we have this package. This is from Secret Stitch Co., and from what I understand, this company works with designers to curate boxes specifically for their new release fabric lines. So this would happen to be the new release for Lella Boutique, housed within this cute little bag here. So let's go ahead and see what the new subscription box from Lella Boutique partnered with Secret Stitch Co. looks like. Okay, so it looks like there's an easy little pull apart tab here, which is nice. Okay, it's a plain white box, about the same size as a sew sampler. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh, it's very similar to Sew Sampler actually. So here's a cute little insert. It says Love Blooms, which is the new Lella Boutique Valentine's Day collection. And it actually says, there's a note from Vanessa here, and it says, "Hey sweet Stitchers, this box is my little Valentine to you, a collection of surprises and inspiration to make your heart and sewing machine sing. Whether you're stitching from the patterns inside or dreaming up your own masterpiece, I hope it fills your creative world with love and joy. With love, Vanessa." Super cute. Okay. All right, and I just showed you some of the box, but let's go through it. I'll save the pattern for last. So I'm not seeing a little foldable insert or anything telling us the content or the cost of the items like you would in some other subscription boxes. So we'll just go ahead and go through these, and if I find these somewhere on the internet, I can go ahead and post the links below. I'll also post a link below to the Secret Stitch Co boxes. I'm not an affiliate or anything, but that might be helpful to you. So let's see, this is Hearts on a String, this cute little lacy set here. This is 100% cotton, 1 yard of heart trim. Okay, these are adorable. This is Sweet Pins by Secret Stitch Co. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open these up as well. I don't really see any sayings on them, only on the box. All right, so the box says Crafty, Pin Me, Quilts Forever. All right, so here they are, 5 pastel colors that kind of mimic the same colors in Conversation Heart Candies. There is no writing on them. They're just blank. They're super cute. About the same gauge as a regular pin as well as length. All right, next up we have this cute little tape measure here. Just a standard tape measure, really super cute. Let's see, oh, okay. There's no external button here that you can see to push, so you just have to eyeball it like you would on a regular measuring tape. We have these cute little vinyl stickers that go with the theme of our box. Those are adorable as well. Okay, so the fabric that comes in these boxes are 12 fat quarters, so let's go ahead through the collection here. I think I saw some of this at Quilt Market Pictures. There was like a cute love quilt that went diagonally. I think that's the same thing. You'll have to let me know down below, maybe I'm wrong. I really love Vanessa's things though. If you go to her website, she's got the cutest patterns. I bought a bundle around Christmas as well of all of her Christmas patterns. Super duper cute. Check that out. I'll put the link below for her website. I know a lot of you tell me you don't like holiday prints, but I have to say these are very tastefully done, and you could definitely mix and match them with other fabrics. Okay, so let me go ahead and read from the website really quick. So items in every box, you've got your 12 curated fat quarter cuts of fabric, you've got a surprise designer pattern, you have an assortment of exclusive notions or custom items, and then a mini project to keep you creating. So I'll go ahead and show you the 2 projects or the 2 patterns that come in this box. And then it says, so shipping schedule, this one shipped out in January, but it's different for every designer just based on when their fabric collections come out. And then it looks like June and December will also be receiving additional boxes potentially. It says delivery dates may vary, so we just have to keep an eye out. The first pattern we have, which must be the small project, is this cute little pillow here. This is a heart, and then there's some half square triangles going around, creating really cute little geometric design. Yeah, this one is super easy. It's got the materials here printed on the back. Looks like a great beginner-friendly pattern. All right, next we have this one. This one's called Sugar and Spice. It measures at 60.5 by 70.5 inches. Super cute as well. I like the little pinwheels in the center. Okay, here are the requirements on the back. This one also shouldn't be too difficult for a beginner. So I forgot to say, but this box was $72 shipped. I will go ahead and see if I can find the prices for these items. Patterns are usually like $12 or $14 each. I'll look on her website and see what her pillow patterns and her quilt patterns cost, but I'm pretty sure it's something like that. Obviously the fabric as well will be easy. And then I'll go ahead and total it up and see if we saved anything or if this is pretty much right on par for what we paid. So yeah, if you're interested in this subscription box, go ahead and check out Secret Stitch Co. There's also a Robin Pickens, if I remember correctly, subscription box on there as well. I believe that one comes every quarter, so it's a little bit different than the Lella Boutique one. Let me know what you guys thought about this box, this new subscription box, and I can't wait to share the next one with you guys. I will talk to you later or see you later. Bye everybody, have a great day.